Hey guys, wanna know how to download OkCupid on mobile? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, simply make sure you are on your mobile phone and then open up Play Store. Now once you're there, on the search bar up top right here, simply click on it. Now just type in OkCupid. Click search and there you go. Here your OkCupid online dating app has been found. You can just directly click install or just click on it for more info. Now select install and after a while the download should begin and it should finish in a moment. And there you have it. After a while your installation and download both should be finished and you should be able to open it. Just simply click on open. Now your OkCupid app has been opened. Now you can enjoy it as you want. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.